Okay, part 2. Hopefully also not too bad. Now we just need to stack all our layers. If it's a 2 in the layer above the one behind, then a pixel value is just the one behind. If it's 0, it's black, and if it's 1, it's white, and it overwrites. It should be easy enough. We are going to end up working with layers. This very quick update pixel, very much overwritten what it was. I thought the rules were going to be more complex, but it's just going to give us the right pixel value, hopefully. I should probably test it. And I've written a test for our compositor based on the test in here. It's going to give us a 0 and 1. Now, the question is, what message is produced after decoding your image? And honestly, I have no idea. There were previous instances where you had to like fold a piece of paper over and over, and what does it print? And the easiest way to do it basically is you end up literally printing dots to screen and trying to work out what the colour is. But image compositor, and it's going to take an image, which is a ref image, and it's going to return a layer. So, layer stacker, okay, I should probably call it layer compositor, is going to take a current, which is a layer. Do we want to consume these? Yeah, we want to consume these. Next is a layer, and it's going to return a layer. Let me res is a new layer. Let's write this ourselves. Thank you very much. So for row in Q. Okay, yeah, so zipping, that is actually quite useful. So what zip is going to do is it's going to zip 2 iterators together. So it's effectively going to give us an iterator of tuples of our vex, which we could then zip again. In reality, what we actually kind of want to do, we don't care about the fact these are vex of vex, and we just want to, we kind of want to flatten them. From parts, string, extend from slice. I'm pretty sure there's like a flatten method. Rust flatten. Yep, that's the one. Oh, it's under iterator. Right, okay. I always click on the wrong one. Flatten, there it is. Okay, great. So you've got a vec of vex and you want to flatten it. So actually, that's the easiest thing to do. Is going to be let mu current is going to be equal to current iterator flatten. And we can leave that as an iterator, we don't need to collect it. Let mu next be the same, next iterator flatten. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go for pixel in current zip next. That's going to give us a tuple of pixels. Res for now actually is just going to be a row. Sort of screwed this up. Well, I haven't screwed it up. I'm just going to why are you unhappy? Oh, you're unhappy, right, okay, fine. And then we'll resize row, which we can do. There's a reshape function somewhere. In fact, is that also an iterator? Do you tell me there's an opposite of this? It's not reduce, No. Well, if there's not a reshape, we can always make a reshape. There's not a reshape in Vec? No, because that would have done, you'd be able to use that to flatten. Anyway, worry about that later. Let mu. That's layer is layer mu. That mu row is going to be a row and 4 pixel in. I should probably just do it in here, shouldn't I? Let's actually have that, make that a layer. New row. New row. Let's do get some spacing going on. Get rid of U2. It's going to be row push update pixel. Boom. Let's return res. Get rid of that. Let W be equal to let mute W equals 0. Let mute H equals 0. Let width be equal to current. Current is a layer, which is a vec of rows. So the width is first unwrap.len. Yeah, that's true. Let height be current.len. Also true. So we push onto the row. We do w plus equals 1. If w is equal to width, then res push row. Row is new. Yeah, da da da. Cool. And we don't have multiple heights to worry about, so that's fine. That's a layer compositor. Done. And then we can just iterate over the pairs of layers. An iterator can give us a window. Well, if it's a windowable iterator, it can give us a window. Well, it's possible that we need to convert it into windows before we make it an iterator. Ah, there it is. Do I want the windows to overlap? Yes, I do. So I want to do image windows 2, windows 2. So we start with a new layer, and then what we're going to say is we have our matching value, we have our layer. And our layer is actually so what's Windows going to do? It probably shouldn't. So LORE slice 3 next unwrap is a slice of that. So I should end up with a layer is layers. It's a slice of 2 layers, and we're going to do ACC is equal to layer compositor, layer 0, and layer 1. Now there is an issue here because this is taking by value. It does not need to take by value. I think that should be fine. Layer is layers. What are you unhappy about? Expected, eye size and found unit type. Yeah, I actually just do. Ah! Yeah. This isn't what I want to do at all. I don't want windows. Oh, I mean, I guess I could do this with windows. But I need it to. I don't think fold is what I want to do. Fold is what I want to do. I don't need Windows. No, I just need it in Twitter. Into it. What I want to do is I want let first equal image first unwrap. Ooh, we're going backwards, remember? Image pop unwrap. Ooh. Yeah, we need to go back. Do we need to go backwards? We need to go backwards because I created this backwards, right? So, layer creator. Let's go look at the example. This is going to be the last layer. So we actually want, no, we want to go forwards. Yeah, okay, fine. We want to evaluate this first, and then this one's going over the top, and this one's going over the top, that's going over the top. Cool. And that is the way that the layers got created, I think. Let's go test, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it is, cool. What don't you like? View sizes, pretty sure should just be copy. Maybe they're only copy if you specifically dereference them. Happy now? Cool. You are not mute. Okay, that's fine. Why are you unused? Oh yeah, we don't actually need height. Cool. And yeah, we don't actually need height at all. That is quite correct. Right, so first, image pop wrap. That's not correct. I want it to be the first. So then we are going to, so it's actually going to be let result image pop unwrap, and it's going to be fine. So then we're going to go image iter. So actually we just need port layer image compositor needs to consume the image, and image needs to be mutable. Is first going to take I think I might need to do a take 0. Yeah, look, that's a reference. It's not a take. Let's take on. Let's take. There is no take. Convinced there is. Insert is empty, leak, new, pop. Removed. There we go. So remove 0, which just returns a T, so no unwrapping needed. We'll assume we've done our own bounds checking for layer in image. Let res is layer compositor res layer. Like, I don't know what the fuck you're doing. Maybe it's going to turn out that's useful, but return res. Right, this should be testable. You are unhappy because you need to consume the image. I'll go test day 8. Nope, because left is expected. We've got 0, 1, 1, 0, and we've got 0, 2, 2, 2. 2s should be transparent, so we should never get a 2. Oh, what happens if the first layer has a 2 and you just have a bunch of 2s on top? Is that what happens? Yeah, that's exactly what happens. Is there a rule for that? But it shouldn't matter actually, because yeah, I don't see how this surely isn't correct. 0, 0, 0, 0. So layer 4, top left. The image is rendered by stacking the layers and lining the pixels with the same positions in each layer. Yes. The digits indicate the color. First layer is in front. First layer is in front and the last layer is at the back. So I've got my order the wrong way around. And it is going to be, just need to pop the end off. For layer and image, it's a rev. Don't want to shadow. Let's try that again. Perfect. I'm not actually using it though. So part 2 is going to return a 0. We're going to take the image and I'm just going to consume it. And we're going to run image compositor on it. And then let's just print it and see what happens. Yeah, those were in the wrong place. So this is a message. So I suspect what I want to do is for row in res print line row. I mean, those are 25 characters wide. What is the message? 0 is black and 1 is white. So I only want to print the zeros. So is that a 4? That looks like a 2. Oh god, this is hard. I need bigger things. Oh god, no, that did not help. That's definitely not better. Give me a star. Let's see what happens with the bigger gaps as well. I think the gaps need to be same size. Dots were better. Although, actually, this is going the wrong way around. And do a star. Because if it's 1, it's... If it's black, it's 0. Yeah, I definitely did do that the wrong way around. ZB, see? BCPZB? BCP, ZB. Nice! Day 8 done. In only 50 minutes.